My name is Michael Cull. I'm the grounds mowing and athletic specialist, and I've been working in Rockwood for 15 years. Beginning every day is the same. We sit down with the crews and the athletic people, go over what their daily agenda are, telling us what campuses they're attending to that day to do their services, what baseball games we have. So we do that daily. Now, we've had rain. Guess what? Next day I'm on baseball fields, helping out, making sure we can get them played in time. Each baseball field is going to be different, depending on moisture, rain, field conditions from the day before. Start to finish, you drag your field closed with a nice metal mat. You run a string line, and like you do use a box, is what the batter's box is called. Put it down, you scratch it out, and then you come back through with your chalker. You put a nice layer of chalk down, you outline it out, and hopefully all your lines come out straight. Sometimes they don't, and you have to start all over again. That wind can mess with that string line, and I've had it happen 100 times. So, it's all about going slow and steady and making it work. I love my job, I really do. I enjoy coming. The people I work with, the supervisor, Steve, that I work underneath, everybody has their own niche, and it starts from the top.
Mike Cull is a 15-year veteran of the department. His experience and knowledge that he's gained over those years is invaluable. He's involved with everything from our mowing crews to preparing ball fields. He cares about what he's doing, he cares about what his crews are doing, and he cares about the finished product that we offer to our students and staff and parents. So that's a very valuable trait to have.
I don't know, it's just that feeling inside, that you take pride in your work. So hopefully if, it is a parent, maybe have a grandparent that's never been to the school, and they're like, wow, this is where my grandkid goes, or this is where my kid's going to be going. What we're here for is for the students, we're here for the staff, we're here for, even the parents to show pride in what we do. When you come on campus, we want every time to be just, it looks great.